I've been setting goals since I was 13-year old, and somehow I achieved more than I planned. So this video will be very short because it's all about my techniques and how I set goals and how you can set goals that you will definitely achieve, because we will make sure to make comeback in 2026.
I like me better when I'm with you.
So hi my girlies, if you don't know me, it's me Sana, and in today's video we will be talking about goal setting, how to set goals and everything about it. Here's the easiest 3-step method that you will do to set your goals for 2026. So number 1 is 4 sections. First of all, you have to take your journal or whatever you set your goals in. Now किसी भी पेज पर divide it into 4 sections. Okay, अब जो ये 4 sections होंगे ये होंगे 4 different areas of your life. Okay, so in 1 year you have to focus on 3 or 4 areas max, not more than that. Now हमने 4 sections ले लिया, उसको divide कर लिया. अब define करना है तुम्हें अपने 4 sections को. For example, in 2026 my areas are financial, social, academic and health. सो अब तुम्हें करना क्या है, उसमें तुम्हें अपना गोल लिखना है जो तुम्हें उस एरिया में चाहिए इस ईयर के अंदर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई फाइनेंशियल गोल इज आई वॉन्ट टू अर्न 1 लाख रुपीज़ इन दिस ईयर, सो आई विल राइट इट डाउन देयर. And my social is I want to make more friends and open a little bit and be more extroverted. I will write it down there. Then my academic is I want 90% or above marks than that, and I want a good reputation in my school or college, whatever. So I will write it down on that. And my health goal is I want 11 line abs and a clean gut. I will write it down on that. So you know, जो भी तुम्हारा गोल है तुम्हें बस उसमें लिख देना है. ओके, अब इससे होता क्या है, अब इससे तुम्हारा काम ईजी हो गया. तुम्हारे 4 एरिया अलग अलग डिफाइंड है. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट अब तुमने 4 एरिया डिवाइड कर लिए, गोल्स डिफाइन कर लिया. अब तुम्हारा आता है स्टेप 2. Number 2 is defining steps. अब जो तुमने 4 areas divide करे थे, you have to write the steps in that. For example, I told you that financial goal is 1 lakh in 2026. So what I will do is I will write down कि वो 1 lakh आएंगे कहाँ से. What I have to do to make that. So I will write brand deals, content creation, or my job, or whatever I'm doing, whatever you are doing to make that true. You will write it down. For example, I want 1k subscribers, so I will make content and do whatever it takes to get that 1k subscribers. You know, I will create short content, long content, and do paid collaboration, brand collaboration, or you know, whatever my audience like to get the subscriber, and it will be the steps of that topic, you know. So तुम अपने steps में यही सब लिखना है कि तुम क्या करोगे उसे अचीव करने के लिए. And since you know my goal is 1k subscribers, so do subscribe me. So now back to the topic. उन चारों चीज़ों को तुम्हें एक एक करके steps define करने हैं अच्छे से. Okay, think about it, be specific कि तुम 2026 में क्या करने वाले हो, उसके हिसाब से स्टेप डिवाइड करना है तुमको. ओके, सो अब तुमने अपने 4 सेक्शन डिवाइड कर लिए हैं, गोल्स डिवाइड कर लिए हैं, और उसमें से तुमने स्टेप्स निकाल लिए हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज step number 3, make column 5. My favorite part is this 5th column. So what you have to do is, it's literally all about your dreaming, and it's about your unrealistic and materialistic goals, and you know, the things you dream of doing in this year, and your travel goals, your fun activities, your materialistic goals. Like for example, I want to buy a Gucci bag, so that will go in 5th column. I want to travel to Manali, so that will be going in 5th column. I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to achieve that, I want to eat that, I want to buy that. All the things will go in 5th column. I know you guys know how to make vision board. After that, your making of vision board will be so easy. For example, this is the sheet of vision board, so you have to divide it into 4 parts. Okay, now this side financial goals, social goals, and all goals, you know, in 4 part, and then in between the 5th column will go in between, like here. And you have to paste all the photos of traveling, fun, you know, whatever. तो अब तुम्हारे सारे goals divide हो गए हैं, fun activity वाला part भी आ गया है, and you know, materialistic goals भी आ गए हैं. सारे goals इस section में हमारे आ गए 5 sections में, and उनके steps भी आपने divide कर लिया. 5th column में तुम्हें steps की need नहीं है, because वो तुम्हारी like fun goals हैं. So yeah, उसमें स्टेप्स की नीड नहीं है, बाकी स्टार्टिंग के 4 में स्टेप्स आएंगे. ओके, सो या दैट वाज इट वाज अ रियली स्मॉल वीडियो just about setting your goals. So I hope it helps, and if it does, then subscribe me, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.